I cleaned my thermador oven, and now the racks won't slide. Can they be repaired?
If the racks won't slide, it means they have been overheated either due to the oven just being on too long, 4+ hours, or if the racks went through self-cleaning. It causes the finish on the racks to break down and then it won't slide properly anymore. The only fix for this issue is to replace the oven racks. The racks themselves cannot be repaired. You'd need a full model number to look up the correct oven racks for your oven, but you can purchase them at searspartsdirect.com with a full model. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.